On a poignant September day in 2024, the town of Nnewi became a gathering place, not just for mourning, but for celebration. A celebration of a life lived with purpose. Alfred Ojukwu Nwosu, a remarkable communication and advertising expert, left this world on the 7th of August 2024. His burial was more than a farewell, it was a testament to relevance over mere fame. Though Alfred never held a public office, his influence resonated deeply within the fabric of Igbo society. His passing drew an impressive assembly of dignitaries and influencers, transcending political divides. Names that echoed across the nation, such as Peter Obi, the esteemed presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Bianca Ojukwu, wife of the legendary Ojukwu, Chief Innoson Chukwuma, Chairman, Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing (IVM), Chief Leo Carter, Chairman, Lirikata Industries, Senator Victor Ome, representing Anambra Central Senatorial District in the National Assembly, Valentine Ozigbo, politician and business executive, among others, graced the ceremony. Their presence spoke volumes.
With him and he would not listen to us. How can we tell him the child is dead? He will do something desperate. David, however, noticed that his officers were whispering among themselves and realized that the child was dead. Is the child dead? He asked the officers. They answered, he is dead. David got up from the ground, bathed and anointed himself.
As we really think, the number of years we live on earth does not matter so much. What matters, what value have you impacted on the life of the people around you? We really know in until you will tell that's the woman.
These luminaries gathered not just to pay their respects, but to acknowledge the legacy of a man who carved out an enviable niche without the trappings of power. Alfred's life was a beacon, illuminating the truth that impact can flourish in many forms, and that true relevance often lies in the connections we make and the lives we touch. As the community of Obiano mourned, they also celebrated a vision that reminded us all that one does not need a title to make waves in the world. Alfred Nwosu may have left us, but his enduring legacy lives on the hearts of those he inspired.
Out of the Niger, Chancellor, Imo State University. Hospital Enugu. Very strong and committed contingent from Enugu. We salute you. Otaligan Nnewi, Ebo. Osi Kamo Benchu. Chief Doctor Lady Bianca Ojukwu. Ijele. Anyawi Bonine. Odogu. 1 a.m. Near order. Make sure P2B is respected. And Otaligan Nnewi did it. Benchu, keep it up. Next Nwosu. Onye nkano Boba Nwosu. Ndị ga-anọrọ anyị na strong room ọtara ike ọgwụwa you in shock. Ị na-akụ egwu, ị na-ekpe ekpere 2027. Then the upper week, 9th and 10th. Those are the cases. Igbo-centric Church of One Nation. Can someone shout a man? Thanks a lot. The National Orthopedic Hospital. American lawyer. Remain blessed forever. Very humble.
In the end, it is not the fame that lasts, but the significance of a life well lived. Alfred's story teaches us that relevance is a quiet power, one that can change lives and shape futures.